Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this absolutely beautifully presented 3-bedroom semi-detached property over on Gillingham Road in Eccles. So as you'll see to the front, we've got plenty of off-road parking for multiple cars, access to the rear there. Now as we head on through, you'll see this property is absolutely immaculate inside. Everything's done to the top standard. So here we've got the living room, really good size again, beautifully presented, fireplace there, loads of room for furniture, perfect for families and entertaining. And as we head on through to the rear, you've got this gorgeous open plan kitchen diner, all modern fitted kitchen, plenty of wall and base units, breakfast bar there in the middle, has had a full new heating system installed with all new pipes. Got the dining space here, again plenty of room, and the double doors out onto the rear, letting loads of natural light in. Got this gorgeous landscaped garden, gorgeous in summer with the double doors open. You've got the storage to the rear which will be left, and then access back round to the front of the property. Now, as we head on upstairs, you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms, all done again to a really good standard. Be a perfect first time buy or for someone looking to expand their family. The loft is boarded, so there is potential to convert up there in the future if you wanted to. So to the front, we've got the smallest of the 3, which again is still a fantastic size. Fits a really big single bed in there as well as furniture. We've got the second bedroom here. Again, a really good size. Big double bed and loads of space for furniture around it. Each room is beautifully presented as well. And then we've got the master bedroom here. Again, a really good space. I'll just show you from another angle. Plenty of space for wardrobes, dressing area, and does overlook the garden. And then we go through to the family bathroom, which is a gorgeous space in here. Has recently had a bathroom renovation, so is a brand new bathroom. Has also had all new windows, so everything in the property is in top condition. Really well looked after and beautifully presented all the way throughout. If you would like a viewing, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in.